Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the tool and materials so the job runs smoothly. First, insert a charged battery and lock the safety. This prevents accidental firing. Next, open the magazine, place the correct staples in the track, and slide the follower until it seats with an audible click. This ensures reliable feeding. Once done, inspect the nose for debris and manually move the drive blade to confirm free travel, because a stuck blade makes jams and poor clinch. Now you adjust the compression drive and learn the firing rhythm so each staple sets correctly. Choose the compression setting that matches the staple and material. Higher compression flattens crowns in dense wood, while lower protects thin materials. Position the nose perpendicular to the work and apply firm contact pressure. This lets the compression mechanism seat before the drive stroke. Then use short, controlled trigger presses. This prevents double feeds and gives finish by verifying each staple is flush and properly clinched. Adjust compression if crowns are bent. When complete, remove the battery, unload remaining staples, and wipe debris from the nose and magazine. A drop of light oil on the slider keeps action smooth. If a jam happens, immediately remove power, open the magazine, and gently clear the stuck staple. Check the spring and follower for damage. If staples misfeed repeatedly, switch staple brand or size. Mismatched dimensions cause most feeding issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.